Yeah, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about this online job boards platform, which is Remotejobs.io. So let's dive into it. So talking about Remotejobs.io, Remotejobs.io is an online job board that focuses on remote opportunities, offering user a simple interface, job filters, and a low-cost trial to get started. Some users like that it gather remote listing in one place and provide a resume tools that can help job seekers stand out. A few positive review also mentioned success in finding interviews or a unique opportunities not easily found on larger platforms. However, the downside is significant. Many users report outdated or low quality job posting, unexpected recurring charges after the trial, and difficulty cancelling subscription. There are also serious complaints about scam like listening and poor customer support, which raises red flag about reliability. While the platform may work for some, safer and more reputable options like Flex Jobs, Indeed, or LinkedIn are often a better choice for finding remote work. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more reviews. Thanks.